Hello everyone, thank you for joining us. My name is Andrew and I'm with Pure Resonance Audio, and today we're going to be talking about how media players work on a mixer amplifier. So here in front of us we have two of our popular mixer amplifiers. One of them is rack mountable, the other is not. The thing that they do share is that they both have built-in media players. So what is a media player and how does it work? How do you use it? So a media player is basically like a little built-in computer that is in these mixer amplifiers that allow you to connect music sources or play different types of music sources through it. So think of it like it's an input. It's basically is what it is. It's an input. Our media players have Bluetooth built in. They have capabilities of USB inputs, SD cards, and so you have a variety of different options as far as playing music goes. Bluetooth is probably the most popular. USB, you can add your music files to it, WAV and MP3 files, plug it in and it'll play them. So some things to keep in mind when you're setting up and using the media player of your mixer amplifier. There's going to be a mode. The mode selects which option you're using. So going back to the USB versus like the FM tuner, which I failed to mention, the Bluetooth. So whether you want to use any of those options, you're going to have to filter through to get to that. So you'll have to select the mode button. Each one will have volume adjustments directly on the interface. So you'll see buttons that you can select to turn the volume up and down for the media player only. There's pause, there's skip, all the normal things of like being in your car and working in that stereo. There's mode button for that. There's volume. There's EQ adjustments. Same thing here. There's EQ adjustments that you can make using a remote control that comes with the unit. And so there's basic things to keep in mind as you're setting it up. But one important thing to keep in mind is that not all media players are the exact same. So even on these two units, although they function very similarly, they're going to operate differently. The buttons are going to be a little bit different. The Bluetooth name that you're connecting to is going to be a little bit different. So it's always important that you refer back to the manual that comes with the unit so that you know exactly what you're connecting to and how to operate the media player for that particular model that you're using. So that's the basics of the media player. They're very useful, very helpful, especially in a world where Bluetooth is important and everybody wants to connect their music source wirelessly. It's a great option. So that's the basics. If you have any questions, let us know and we'll be happy to answer them.